Well, as we walk out the door this morning, it's not going to be as warm as it was yesterday morning, but still pretty mild for this time of year, upper 40s and low 50s. But for some, especially in northwest Arkansas, that's about a 10 to 20 degree drop from this time yesterday. And after some sunshine this morning, we already see more clouds build in during the afternoon. And with the cooler start, you might be thinking, well, is that going to stop us from hitting records? No. In fact, I think we're going to shatter them. The previous records for this day set back in 1889 for Fort Smith, record of 76, forecast high of 81. Fayetteville, previous record was 74 in 1971. We should shatter that with a record of 78, or a forecast high of 78. Overall for today, highs in the upper 70s and low 80s. That south wind will also pick up back again, so we'll see it pushing in that warmer air at about 5 to 15 miles per hour, and get some sunshine this morning, and then more partly to mostly cloudy skies, especially during the afternoon. For tonight, very mild overnight lows, about 35 to near 40 degrees above normal, because we'll have strong south winds gusting up to 30 and mostly cloudy skies that'll be absorbing and spitting back out that heat that was released during the day. Then for tomorrow, we'll have actually around about the same temperatures as overnight. They'll rise a little bit in the River Valley in the low to mid 70s. Upper 60s and low 70s in northwest Arkansas, potentially more records for tomorrow. But you see these showers and storms during the afternoon and very strong winds tomorrow, especially when the cold front moves in. It'll start out of the southwest. When the cold front moves in, they'll be out of the northwest, and we can see gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. And the reason being is we have a very strong cold air mass that's moving in, and with it combining with a little bit of a moist and warm air mass, we could see some stronger thunderstorms with this. Now, the highest risk is off to our east in the mid-Mississippi River Valley and more towards the Ohio River Valley. But for us, that chance is there for, I'd say, much of the area, especially east of I-49. It'll be during the afternoon and early evening hours, about 12 to 6. The primary concern with this, if we do see anything, will be strong winds, maybe up to 60 miles per hour. Hail looks very, very low, and same with tornadoes. I'm not expecting any tornadoes with this. Primarily, it's just going to be strong winds that move through with this. And this line is going to be very thin when it does move through. So let's jump ahead to this evening. This is 6:30. We'll see a mostly cloudy sky overnight, then turn to more cloudy as we head to the day tomorrow. So once we hit tomorrow morning here, 7 a.m., a cloudy start. Cloudy for much of the day, but again, it's going to be windy even before the front gets here. Now, sometime around noon is when we could start to see that line move in. But you can see here on this futurecast, it's more about 2 o'clock. And you're going to see it's very thin. We'll move through quickly, have strong winds potentially with it, and maybe some brief downpours at times. 4 o'clock, moving through the center of the area. Then by 6, most of it is out of here. Then I think by 8, most of this is just really out of here. Then very cold air is to follow, because come Monday morning, wind chills in the teens for northwest Arkansas, low 20s for the River Valley. And then Tuesday morning, teens nearly area wide, before warming up a little bit as we get into Wednesday morning. So it is going to be much colder here come Monday morning. Lows going from the mid 60s to the low 20s. So about a 40-degree drop there. Then in time for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, it does warm back to more seasonal conditions in the 50s. So yes, very, very much different. And again, on Sunday, I wouldn't worry too much about the storm potential. It's really just going to be windy no matter what, but just something to keep an eye on if you're out and about. It's going to be windy, and when those storms move through, could have some stronger gusts with it.